In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Red Lobster gift card. Whether you need something fast or you want a card you can hand someone in person, I'll walk you through both options so you can choose what works best. Let's start with the fastest route, buying online from Red Lobster's official gift card page. Once you're there, you'll see two choices. You can select an eGift card, which is delivered by email, or a physical gift card that's mailed to a street address. If you need it right away, pick the eGift option. It typically arrives in minutes and is ready to use for dine-in or takeout the moment it hits the inbox. If you prefer something to wrap or include in a card, choose the physical version and have it mailed. Next, choose your amount. The usual range runs from about $10 up to $250, so pick what fits the occasion. Then enter the recipient's details. This can be someone else's email or your own if you want to forward it later. Take a second to double-check the email address to avoid delivery hiccups. When you're ready, pay with a debit or credit card. You'll receive a confirmation, and the eGift card should arrive almost instantly, while physical cards will arrive by mail. Keep that confirmation handy until the card is received and used. If you'd rather buy in person, you can pick one up at any Red Lobster restaurant. Just visit the location, ask the cashier for a gift card, choose your amount, and pay at the counter. You'll walk out with a physical card immediately. This is a great option if you're already dining there or need a gift on the spot. The card you receive can be used for dine-in, pickup, and even delivery orders, making it flexible for the recipient's plans. Here are a few helpful reminders as you decide. eGift cards are the fastest choice thanks to instant email delivery. Physical cards are better when you want something tangible to hand over for birthdays, holidays, or thank you gifts. These cards usually do not expire, which gives the recipient plenty of time to enjoy their meal. And they can be used at participating Red Lobster locations in the United States, so it's always a good idea to check availability if you're unsure about a specific restaurant. That's it. Simple, secure, and convenient. Pick online for speed, in-restaurant for something you can give in person, and you'll have a Red Lobster gift card ready in no time.